I'm gonna love you no matter who you are, no matter what you do. And you're thankful, but deep down somewhere, you feel like you don't deserve it. You feel like her love is too much for you, you're not good enough. And I think it sounds something like this. So high up and I'm feeling out of touch. Promise me I'm not too much for you. 'Cause you live in a castle in the sky, and it's raining on the sun that always shines. So high I wish that I could see the view. Promise me I'm not too much for you. Tell me, what did you